So for these features, which are the four that David showed you in a previous slide that we will focus on the PDF X4, are the live transparency, which has been introduced in PDF version 1.4. So it's not the 1.6 that is using on PDF X4, but if 1.4 can do it, 1.6 can also. And there's no debate here. It's just like every file that you're going to get today is going to contain some sort of transparency. It could be a drop shadow, a special effect, different blend modes. You're going to have to handle those files in your workflow. In terms of the layers, which has been introduced by PDF 1.5, this is something that has been used for ages in the packaging industry, for example, where you can actually separate some content and break down into separate layers where you see exactly that layer is meant to be this or that. And this is very useful. And this is allowing to have some automation in your file in the workflow. Specifically, this is that processing steps standard that has been invented in the Get workgroup and pushed to the ISO under the number 19593-1. I like those funky numbers of the ISO. 32,000 is much more easy to remember. So this standard, the processing steps, actually use the layers where you attach metadata, and by qualifying those different layers, you can have a specific content that is attached to it. So it could be the cutting part or creasing, or it's where you want to have the barcode, hologram, it's only some panel, etc. By using that standard, you allow the automation down the line by just being able to address those different objects in the file and drive them to the correct machine or process. In that case, it's a way to make your file smarter because you know exactly what the content means. It's not only like objects that have been put on a white page. After that, we have also the JPEG 2000 compression, which has been introduced with PDF 1.6. And when using that kind of compression, you can actually decrease the file size by using a more modern compression algorithm. And you can have better quality with a smaller file when you use that kind of compression. You can even have some non-destructive mode with the JPEG 2000 if you're not compressing too much. And color managed images, this is something that you can use in that case where you have images that are using spot colors or more than 4 colors. You can have images that are really using the extended gamut for 6 or 7 color presses, for example. And in that case, if you can keep them into the PDF and rip them at the end, you'll be able to have the most accurate and the most colorful way of your images on the paper that you're printing. If you do some transparency flattening, for example, or convert to CMYK, then you're going to lose part of that gamut. And with the digital printing that is more and more used everywhere, this can probably be kind of a pity to just reduce that gamut when you can have more. As David said before, even though you can do that, you're not forced to do it into the PDF X4. And like at the Gain workgroup, we have that specification that is actually reducing to CMYK. So if this is something that you need because you want to control exactly how your images are converted to CMYK before giving that to the RIP, this is definitely possible as well. There's no question. You're going to get the files that are containing live transparency layers, JPEG 2000 compression, or color managed images. That's definitely the case. You get that every day. So you have to handle that And everything that you have here is going to be lost if you convert that to PDF X1A because it cannot handle those things. So you really need to take that into account if you want to decrease the number of errors that you might encounter into your workflow and to keep the most of the features that you have in the PDF.